Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to do the fighter jet string figure. This is an easy string trick tutorial, so let's get right into the video. You'll need a rather small loop of string, and what I've done is I've taken a larger loop of string and I've doubled it up like this, so it's a little bit thicker and a little bit easier to see. Now what you want to do is take that string and you want to drape it over the thumb of one of your hands. I was going to say one of your fingers, but it's one of the fingers of one of your hands. So just like that, we're going to have a longer side going out the back of the thumb and a shorter side coming out the front of the thumb, as you can see right there. Okay, what I'm going to do now is take the longer side and I'm going to use my bottom three fingers, my middle finger, my ring finger, and my pinky finger on this other hand to sort of grab it just like that. So I'm grabbing it just like that with those three fingers, and now I have these two fingers, my thumb and my index, free to be used, okay? What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pull this a little bit looser. So I'm going to reach through this smaller loop at the front of my thumb, and I'm going to grab these strings down here. As you can see, I'll show you right there. I'm going to grab those strings in there, okay, through the loop, okay, and I'm going to bring them up. Then as I bring them up, I'm going to reach into the loop of those strings with my index and my thumb, and I'm going to open them up like that. And then what we have here, if I stretch it out, is we actually have the fighter jet figure, which is really, really cool. As you can see right there, that is actually the fighter jet figure. And it's pretty cool. It's really easy to do. Very simple. What I'll do is I'll demonstrate one more time just to show you, just to clarify a little bit faster. Okay, so short side and long side draped over the thumb. Use my bottom three fingers on this hand to grab onto this string. Okay, reach into that shorter side thumb loop and grab those strings that are right there. So I'm reaching in and I'm grabbing those strings, pulling them up, and then I'm reaching my two fingers into that loop of those strings that I'm pulling up. Okay, once I'm into the loop, okay, I'm going to make it a little bit looser. All I have to do is just open them up like that, and we have a fighter jet, and that's it. It's that easy to do. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.